Hi, I'm Jūratė. Here's one thing I tell everyone. Consistency with the vagus nerve stimulation is the key. Pulsetto isn't just a quick fix. It's training for your nervous system. Just like you would train your body at the gym, you train your calm through repetition. Every vagus nerve stimulation session is a signal to your body. You're safe, you're in control, and you're getting stronger. For the best results, aim to use Pulsetto twice a day. 8 minutes in the morning and 8 minutes in the evening at most comfortable intensity. It's kind of like brushing your teeth. You wouldn't skip brushing and expect healthy teeth, right? Regular use is what keeps your nervous system balanced and resilient. Habits are how the brain saves energy. When you repeat something at the same time each day, your body starts doing it automatically. Here are 3 ways to make Pulsetto part of your daily rhythm. First, anchor it to an existing routine. Use it while having a breakfast or winding down before sleep. Second, set small cues, a reminder, a visual trigger, a note on your nightstand. Third, track your calm. Notice how your mood and focus shift over time. The brain loves progress. That's what keeps the habit alive. When you stay consistent, you start seeing the science in action. After 1 week, most users feel calmer and sleep a bit better. Then, after 2 weeks, clinical studies show that your body begins to reset. Depressive symptoms drop by 39%, anxiety goes down by 31%, even sleep quality improves by 32%. After 4 weeks, results go even deeper. Depressive symptoms down by 56%, anxiety down by 45%, and sleep quality up by 41%. Also, 70% of users show lower cortisol, the main marker of chronic stress. The nervous system learns through repetition. Just like muscle memory, every session is a rep for your calm. If you miss a day, don't quit. Just come back, because the moment you repeat, your brain rewires. And that's how you turn calm into your strongest daily habit.